In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make different columns for all groups Monday.com. Quick guide. If your board has multiple teams or processes living side by side, it can get cluttered fast. The goal here is to keep each group focused by showing only the columns they actually use, while keeping all your data safe in the background. We'll do this by visiting your board, opening the hide options for a group, and then turning off the columns that don't apply to that group. Nothing gets deleted. You're simply adjusting visibility so every group sees a clean, tailored layout. First, head to your board in Monday.com. Make sure you're on the correct board where your groups already exist. Remember, on a Monday.com board, columns are the fields across the top, things like status, owner, due date, or numbers, while groups are the colored sections that stack your items vertically. You'll be customizing what columns are visible within each group, so it helps to quickly scan the board and confirm which groups you want to adjust before moving on. Next, open the Hide options for the group you want to tidy up. Locate the group's title bar and click its context menu, then choose the Hide option. This opens up the visibility controls tied to that group. Think of this as a per-group filter for columns. You're not changing the structure of the entire board, just what this specific group displays. If you don't see the hide control right away, make sure you've selected the group header specifically, not the overall board menu. Now, uncheck the columns that aren't relevant to that group. You'll see a list of all the board's columns with toggles. Turn off anything that clutters the view for that team. Maybe time tracking for a group that doesn't track time, or budget fields for a group that doesn't handle costs. As you uncheck, the group instantly updates, but the underlying data remains intact and available elsewhere on the board. You can always come back and re-enable a column later, so don't worry about committing to a permanent change. A helpful tip is to keep the must-haves visible, such as status, the people column, and key dates, so the group can move work forward without jumping around the board. That's it. Go to your board, open the group's hide controls, and uncheck columns that don't belong. Repeat the same approach for your other groups to give each team a focused, distraction-free view that matches how they actually work. Your board stays powerful.